gonna take me to the
There.
water fountain.
Look, Siri, what are you doing?
Mababasa yung buhok
It's okay, that's part of the growing up. Sabi nga ni Kenneth, pare, naramdaman si Kenneth.
Oo.
Part of growing up. Oh. Look. You wanted to, ano? What do you want?
Away from the fountain. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Sabong ating asyenda ni Enrique Roque, nandito kami. Huh? Oh, so now I'm getting stuck.
Now it's nicer actually.
What, when you stretch?
Yeah. Where's my neck a little bit?
Teka, dito ako. Nandito si pare, kita mo. Pare, alas 12 na.
Ayun na nga eh.
Pagalitan tayo ng kapitbahay, pare.
Wala.
Nakita mo, Siri, what time did you see?
Mga 11:30 pa sa rin na siguro.
Kaya pumasok mga
Kakauwi lang.
11:30.
Sino?
Yung BMW, wala kanina yung BMW dyan. Tapos mga 11:30 pumasok. Yung lalaki ba yung Siri?
Ilalaki lang oh.
Okay, Siri, are you gonna sleep?
I will soon.
Okay. In there, I mean.
No, I cannot sleep here. I have no blanket. Kahit
Alright.
mainit, kailangan ka blanket.
Good night, Siri.
Good night, Tani.
Good night, stars. Ang bituin ng Bulalakaw. Tingnan mo naman, ang sarap ng buhay. Ah, ang sarap ng buhay namin dito. Ganito lang, oh. Para pag uwi mo, ganyan ginagawa mo, no? No? Lang yata si Rocky, buwisit. Sarap ng buhay. Ayun na. Okay.
Bulalak.
Hanap tayo ng Bulalakaw.